This is the men's best t-shirt for traveling. Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Don. Today in this video I'm going to do a quick review of the Puma DryCell T-shirt, which I have it right here. Now in general I always wear cotton. I don't wear polyester or any artificial fabric at home or when I'm not traveling. But when you're traveling, if you wear 100% cotton, the problem is that it takes longer to dry, and it doesn't have the moisture wicking property. So for that reason, when I travel, I usually look for a performance t-shirt or a sports t-shirt that would that has stretch and moisture wicking and other features. Now this is by Puma, and this has like a very nice moisture wicking management feature, which is a technical fabric, and they call this DryCell. Now this is the one I picked up, a white color, and I never actually had a white t-shirt before, so I just wanted to give it a try. And I noticed that they have a different variation of the variations of the same thing. So this is the men's DryCell version, and in terms of fabric, let me quickly take a look at it. So you are looking at 60% cotton, 58% cotton, 38% polyester, and 4% elastane, which gives it a very good stretch, and also it has moisture wicking. So when you're traveling, you're not going to feel like sweating, or the moisture is not going to stick to your body, and also it has very fast drying. So for that reason, this is a very good t-shirt for traveling. Now I noticed that they have other variations which doesn't have any cotton. So for example, it's like 95% polyester, or 95% or 96% nylon, and only 4% elastane. But I like this one due to the fact that it has a good portion of cotton, and that's why this is kind of serves both purposes. You're not wearing something 100% artificial. Also, you have like a hint of cotton, but you have also all the other properties you require when you're traveling. Now the problem with the white t-shirt, what I noticed that if you take a look at it, I haven't even washed this yet, and here I can see that there are like some kind of tiny dots. So for example, like here there's some tiny dots. I don't know where they came from, and I think I saw something else here, and another one like little bit right here. So I'm hoping when I wash them they will go away, but that's the reason I don't want usually I don't wear white t-shirt, because it gets like marks or dirt, or like this type of spots right away. But I wanted to give it a try and see how it feels. So I'm happy with the product. This I saw online, it ran for like $15 to $25 or in that range. However, I was able to pick this up on sale, so my price was much lower. But when I'm looking at the original manufacturer price, I can see that it's $32. So that's kind of expensive unless you get it on sale. So I'm just going to show you quickly when I wear this how it looks. So give me a second. But overall, I'm happy with the product. I cannot complain about anything except the white t-shirt. You have to be very careful because it gets bad very easily, and I don't think I can wear this too long. Although because it just keeps getting marks or darts or dots from here and there. So I'm going to show you how it looks when you're wearing, and the size I have here is medium, and I'm about 5'7". My weight is about 160 pounds. So let's see how it looks. So as you can see, it fits me very nicely. It's not too loose, not too tight, and you can see that I have enough space, because when you wash it, it's going to definitely shrink a little bit. But for now, it feels very comfortable and perfectly fit, and it's going to get probably a little bit shorter, which I wouldn't mind, because you can see that I have still a lot of space, and it's very comfortable wearing it. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.